Hello guys, this is me, Amna, again with Flavor Hour. So today I really wanted to make pumpkin cupcakes. I always wanted to try it. I did not know any baking before, but today, after so many months when I learned everything, I really wanted to try them for fall, for Halloween parties. So let's make them and let's see how they turn. So I made them guys in 3 colors, which is black, orange, and white. So I wanted to do white and gold, black and gold, and I wanted to keep the orange pumpkin as it is in the picture. I wanted them to try it for a long time, and finally I did it right before Halloween started. I'm cutting this cupcake part to show you how does it look from inside. It doesn't have inside icing, only I put it on top because they were supposed to be pumpkin cupcakes. They look very pretty. I made 6 of them, but I just showed only 3 of them. So let's go ahead and check it out how to make them. I got this cupcake one from Amazon. They look like a pumpkin cupcake holders basically. So they are shape of the pumpkin, and I will put my batter inside them, the cake batter. But for them, to use them first we're gonna grease them. All 6 of them from inside so our cupcakes don't stick to them and they come out very smoothly and nicely. You should allow them to cool down for like 5, 6, 7 minutes and then take them out. Not immediately, and don't wait too long. You need this black flat tray to put pumpkin on top of them, so otherwise they won't be stable. Let's put our cupcake batter inside them. Oops, I accidentally filled them way too much, but I can cut the top off. So see how they are fluffy? So I'm cutting the top off nicely and gently. And this is how they're gonna turn out. Now, let's move to our next step, which is let's take some buttercream icing. I took buttercream icing in white already made, but you can make buttercream icing at home too. I have a separate video for that if you want to check it out. And then after I took some white buttercream, I'm gonna add nice orange gel color. Orange food gel color. I got it from Amazon, or you can get it from Michael's too, anywhere wherever you think it's good. Some orange colors are not that good, but this gel orange color was very, very nice. So mix it until you get a nice orange color. So no whites are left. So I added a little bit more orange to get that orange look of fall color. If you put a little bit orange, might give you a yellow look, but you want orange. I took some extra buttercream in a separate bowl, and I'm adding some black food gel color. Of course, black and orange are Halloween colors. So let's mix it till all your buttercream icing turns into nice black color. Gray won't look nice, it should be more black. Let's look into this one now. I'm putting some orange icing on top of the cupcake. Nicely, it was really hard to put it on because they're cupcakes, because I have to cover all sides of icing, all sides of cupcakes with icing. And there it goes. Our black icing
nice
is ready.
black
It looks really, really black, which is pretty good. So we'll be soon putting it on. Let's finish our orange cupcake. So I put a bamboo stick in the middle to hold the cupcake so it won't move, so I can smooth it nicely with icing. From the sides were the problem. So I'm smoothing them out right now. So give us a pumpkin shape. Now I'm putting icing on a black cupcake. So it looks black. Cover all the sides with spatula. You can use a spoon, but it was a little hard to work with it because the cupcakes were very little. It's easier to cover the whole cake rather than small cupcakes with icing. but I tried my best to smooth them out, especially the edges to look like pumpkin. And my last cupcake is in white, so I'm covering it all with white buttercream icing. Cover the sides just like we did it before for orange and black cupcake. See, it's giving us a little bit nicer, smoother look for pumpkin shape. So now all cupcakes are ready to be decorated. Now next step is the fun part when you decorate it. So I used closed star icing tip. You put the bag in a glass so you can properly put icing in the bag. It's easier to do it this way. Once your icing is ready, you take an orange pumpkin and put a bamboo stick in the middle. Bamboo stick in the middle because we have to make a stem of the pumpkin. And how we make a stem, I took gold fondant from Michael's. I rolled it up a little bit and then I just put it on top of a bamboo stick. It will stick to it with buttercream icing and bamboo stick, and it will give us a nice stem. It will hold it nicely. Just fold it a little bit more, and the stem is ready. Yep. So let's move to our next step, which is green icing. This green icing turned out so pretty. It will look beautiful on orange cupcake. Let's make our way from top to bottom. Very nicely. And let's cover all sides of the pumpkin. Yep, they're all done. Now the next important part is leafing. Let's make some nice leaves. So with the leafing icing tip, we don't want to make the leaves too long because our cupcakes are small. So we will keep the leaves a little shorter this time. So I would cover all ends of the stem. This green color looks so pretty and it's so soothing to eyes just by looking at. Okay, there goes our last leaf. Ta-da! And this pumpkin is ready to be served, but not yet. We have to finish our black and white cupcakes. Same thing you do, put a bamboo stick in the middle of the cupcake, and let's make it stem with gold fondant. Got from Michael's again, in case you're wondering where I got the gold fondant. But in this case, I will take this gold fondant and dust it with an edible gold dust. You can get it from Michael gold dust powder or Amazon. You can order it from Amazon and it will give you a nice gold color. It will give a shine to it. So you just need a very little bit. Just put a very little bit on top of your brush. It really requires a very little bit. So just brush it on top of your fondant nicely. And it will give you a nice gold shiny color. Look at that. So our stem is literally ready to be put on the pumpkin. Yep, there you go. Yep. So our next step is you take gold fondant and you roll it up in this fondant mold. I got this from Amazon.com, so you can order it from there too. It's a really nice, it gives you very nice shapes to decorate your cakes. Like if you especially want to make a royal cake, royal wedding cake, these molds are very, very useful. So you nicely place your fondant inside. Make sure there's no extra fondant and take it out. Comes out nice and smooth. There you go. So you want to also dust it with some gold dust. Put that gold dust powder on with the brush, and it will give you a nice gold color to make those edges of a pumpkin, like give nice edges to pumpkin. Those pumpkin lines on the side, basically. I don't know what they're called. Okay, nicely put it on top of icing all the way down, and whatever is left over, you can cut it. There you go. You push it inside so it sticks to it. And there you go. Our black cupcake is ready. Next step is how we're going to make the leaves of the cupcake. So we're going to make leaves by this mold, fondant mold, and you take the leaf again, put some gold dust on it. It will give you a nice shiny leaf. And you take that leaf and you put it on top of a black pumpkin where you see the space. Yep, right there. Oops, our pumpkin stem is sagging. Let me fix that. I think I made it too long. You can make it shorter if you want, and you can just fix it by either pushing it a little bit deeper inside the cupcake. Now it's the turn of white cupcake. Same method for stem, but I wanted to decorate it differently this time. So I used this fondant mold. It's really pretty. It's a Baroque style. You will also put some gold dust on it. See what difference it makes. Before gold dust, it was very dull yellow, but after gold, it's like shining. It's very pretty. It gives that rich, nice look to it. Let's put all of the pieces together. And our white pumpkin cupcake is ready. Yep. And you can make the leaves of this pumpkin the same way we made the leaves for black cupcake. There you go. Looks pretty. I like white and gold. I always like that combination. I love black and gold as well. Wow, that looks really pretty. So hopefully you will like and enjoy the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, share, and leave a comment if you really like the video. Thank you so much for watching.